Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to add fractions with common denominators. So we have 3/8, and I'm going to use a visual model also so you can see it a little easier. So 2, there's our 3/8, and we're going to add 2/8. Now, one of the hardest things to understand when you're adding fractions is why you do not add the denominator, and I'll kind of hopefully show you why using the visual model. So like I said, when you add fractions, first thing you got to look for is you got to look for a common denominator. So in this fraction, both of the denominators are 8. It will remain 8, and then we just add 3 plus 2, so we end up with 5/8. Now the reason that works is because when we combine the 2/8 plus the 3/8, the fraction stays broke into eighths. It does not change to 16ths just because we added 2 more eighths. Okay, hope that helps. Thank you.